Alright friends, today we are going to get our paper folded and labeled for our color mixing to make the gumballs that will go in the top of our Gumball Machine Color wheel. So today to start we're going to get a piece of paper just like this, and you can follow along with your paper with the video in order to make sure that you get all your steps correct. So very first thing we're going to do when we get our paper is we're going to fold it in half vertically, which is tall and skinny. We're going to line up the corners and then just squish it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close. So now we have a tall, skinny piece of paper. Next, we're going to take the top of our paper. We're going to fold it down so that, it's kind of hard to see, my camera's a little bit bright today, but so that this space below and this space that we're folding are equal. So I'm going to press it down just like this. And now we kind of have a L shape, sort of, J shape maybe, if I turned it this way. So we have this fold that we folded over from the top, and this space and this space are just about the same. Then we're going to take our next fold, we're going to take the bottom, we're going to fold it up back over the top so that we have just a square. So if I turn it sideways, you can see that I folded the top down and then I folded the bottom up, just like this, so that we have this square shape. And then we're going to open it all back up. When you open it up, you're going to see that you have 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'd like for you to do next is with your pencil, we're just going to go ahead and trace our folds. So I'm going to go right down the middle on my fold, and then we're going to go on these folds as well. This is just going to help you in the next art time know where to put your colors. Okay? We are going to label each one of these squares with a color. So we're going to put our primary colors over on this side. So starting at the top, I'm going to put just a little R for red. That means that this whole square is going to be red whenever I paint it. My next one, I will put a Y for yellow. That means that this whole square is going to be yellow. And of course the last primary color is, you guessed it, blue. So I'm going to put a B for blue, and this square would all be blue when we paint. On this side, we are going to make our secondary colors. So to make the secondaries, we're going to take 2 primaries and mix it together. So let's start with the first 2 boxes. I'm going to write R plus Y equals, if we mix red and yellow, that's going to give us orange. So this square, we're going to put in orange. Our next 2 colors, we're going to put Y for yellow plus B for blue, and that gives us G for green. So that means that this square is going to be our green square. And then the last square, we have to take our red and our blue, those 2. So if we put R for red plus B for blue, that gives us P for purple. So we have our primaries on this side and our secondaries on this side. That is going to get us set up so that the next time when we are ready to paint, we will have so much more time to spend on our painting instead of making our paper. So this will be ready for us next time. Don't forget, on the back of your paper, you need to make sure that you put your name, because everybody's paper is going to look the same. So you need to make sure your name is on the back so that you can be sure to get your paperback next time.